If your furnace isn't running right or not staying on, the number one cause for sure is a bad flame sensor. It's inside your furnace. You can replace it yourself. There's no safety risk here. You will pay hundreds of dollars if a contractor comes to do this for you. I ordered this online for 20 bucks. $20. Let's do the flame sensor replacement. Okay, remember to always turn off the power first. On most furnaces, you will have a disconnect right here, power disconnect, switch, or fuse, or you may have to go back to your panel box. Most furnaces do tend to have to shut off right there. Get to the access cover and open it up. Now, if you have an open style like this, it's easy. You very well may have a sealed burner. If you have a sealed burner, it's just a couple little screws to remove. I'll show you what that looks like. After you have access to your burner area, you want to locate your flame sensor. So your flame sensor is a rod. It's a rod inside your furnace that will sense when the flame is on. If your furnace did not have a flame sensor, the gas could be flowing and there'd be no flame, so it's a safety combustion issue. But these flame sensors do have a life cycle and they will wear out. So with the power turned off, we've located our flame sensor and we're going to find the mounting screw. There's only one here. That's the most common. There's literally only one screw. Maybe I've seen two, but one is the most common. So you're going to get a nut driver. You could even do it with a pair of pliers if you had to, if you couldn't find a nut driver. Okay, screw is loose. And before I pull that flame sensor out, I want to disconnect the wire. It's a single wire. There we go. Wire's disconnected. Pull out your bad flame sensor. Look at that, years of corrosion built up on it. So we'll throw that one away and we'll get our brand new one out. So now you're just going to reverse the procedure. We're going to drop it down in the correct position right in front of the burner. Let's screw it on first and then I'll connect the wire. Okay, screw it on down. You don't have to go crazy tight. You just want to snug it up. Okay. Now, of course, don't forget to reconnect your wire or it won't work. Okay, with our wire securely attached, I even gave it a little crimp with a needle nose pliers to make sure it's on there firmly, it's not going to fall off. And then you want to make sure, if you look underneath, your flame sensor is right in the center of your flame. Okay, with that done, we're going to turn the power back on. And let's turn the thermostat up and give it a quick test. Okay, if the flames are staying on, you've done it correctly. Your flame sensor is working and you are good to go for years. This is definitely a home rapid repair you can do yourself and save hundreds. Good luck. I know you can do it yourself.